Tends to back things up.
Domino effect.
Yeah. Well, it's cold tonight. Now, I think most of tomorrow is going to be workable if you got to get something done outside. It's going to be cold. It's going to be a Ramby Factor 4. It's unpleasant. We're going to get maybe some light snow, possibly some patchy freezing drizzle in the afternoon. We don't know that for certain. We do know for certain, though, that once the system moves by tomorrow evening, the north winds are going to blow and we will have feels-like temperatures of 30 to 40 below zero. And that's why there's a wind chill warning in effect for much of the area starting at midnight tomorrow night and lasting into Saturday. Starting at noon tomorrow, a winter storm warning goes into effect for a lot of the area, but I think the worst effects will be tomorrow evening and night when the winds really pick up. There's the increasing clouds overnight, clouds for the morning. Some indication that we'll have a bit of snow occur by lunchtime and then kind of press off into Iowa and then start to fill back in as we go into the evening tomorrow from Omaha southward. And then we'll get some bursts of moderate snow along with very strong north winds that will really make a mess of travel as we go into overnight tomorrow night and also Thursday morning, and particularly areas south and east of the Omaha metro. That computer model produces this amount of snow: 2.5 Fremont, 2.5 in Omaha, 2.5 in Lincoln, but 6 in Nebraska City, Shenandoah, and over toward Creston in Iowa. So our official snow forecast is kind of shaded in that direction, sort of the heaviest corridor right through here. I have Omaha in the 3 to 5 inch range, but looking at the latest computer models, it would seem more like the 3 to 3.5 inch range for Omaha if it goes according to current plan. 12 and 2 today. Wow, what a cold one. No precipitation. 9 inches below average moisture. Beautiful downtown Omaha. The streets are quiet. It's 4. Feels like 8 below zero with just a 7-mile-per-hour wind. You see the single-digit temperatures and the wind chills below zero for many locations. Just a light little breeze. The wind's going to be so much stronger tomorrow night and the temperature's colder. Here's the cloud cover increasing from the west, and while it is very dry here, this system coming in from the northwest is extremely cold and projected to squeeze out a bit of moisture for us. But primarily not until later tomorrow. So that's where we have the impact icons, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And really the severe winter weather is overnight tomorrow night and into Thursday. You see by morning some snow to the north of us, but by the afternoon, getting into some of that around eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. 2 for the low. We're 4 right now, so we're almost there. Clouds on the increase, though. Temperatures rise a bit by morning. It's still going to be cold. 11, some flurries noontime, and then the light snow in the afternoon. Temperatures peaking around 25 degrees for the high. Tomorrow night, if I had a red panel, that would be one in there. And then Thursday and Friday, severe winter impacts. Blowing snow Thursday morning really could shut things down. Trying to go east into Iowa all day Thursday and Thursday night. And of course, the frigid temperature and wind as the wind chill value of particular concern.
Right. Talking about it for a long time.